Hello, fifth graders. I'm Tran, and this is lesson 1. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning standard and expanded form, place values, comparing numbers, and rounding. So, in the first page, we have to convert between standard and expanded form. An example of expanded form is when there are plus signs such as this, which is 20 plus 6, and an example of standard form is when the numbers is in its original value, such as this one. For expanded form, we just add the numbers, or for expanded form. So we have 20 plus 6, which equals 26. Now, in this example, we have to expand this number, and first, we look at the biggest number, which is 7, on the very left, and we see that there are 5 digits in this number. So our first number is 70,000. Next, we look to the right, and we see a 6, and there are 3 other digits, so it's 6,000. We look to the right again, and there's another 6, and after this 6, there are 2 digits, so it's 600. Next, we look at to the right again, and we see an 8, and there's only one digit after 8, so it's 80. And now we just have this 8 left, so it's plus 8. So for number 7, our expanded form is 70,000 plus 6,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 8. Now for the next page, we have place values, and we need to fill in the missing numbers. For this, we just look at the place values of each one. So, for example, in number 2, we have the number 6,432. We just place the number accordingly, like this is the thousands place, this is the hundreds place, this is the tens place, and this is the ones place. So we can see that we have 6,000s, 400s, 3 tens, and 2 ones. Let's do one more with a bigger number. Here we have the number 69,801. We just look from the very left and we see that our first number is 6, so we have 6 10,000s. Our next number is 9, so we have 9,000s. And our next number is 8, so we have 800s. And our next number is 0, so we have 0 tens. And our next number is 1, so we have 1 1. Next, for the next page, we're going to be comparing numbers. Let's try number 3. When comparing numbers, we always start from the left of each number and then go on the way to the right. So, first we have an 8, but this is also an 8, so we need to continue going to the right until we have a different number. These 7s are also the same for 87, and the 4s are the same. Now we finally found 2 digits in the numbers that are different, which is 2 and 3. And by the way, these are in the tens place. We know that 3 is bigger than 2, so we can say that 87,430 is greater than 87,428. Let's try a number with a bigger one. Here we have the numbers 1,538,948 and 1,540,948. We see that these two numbers are the same, 1, 5, but then we have a 4 here and then a 3 here. We know that 4 is greater than 3, so the number 1,540,948 is greater than 1,530,948. We're going to do the biggest number here, which is number 10. Here we have the digits 5451413 950. And here we have the digits 5451415 000. If we skim through the numbers from the left, we see that each number has the same ones up to here, which is 54514 and 5451441. Now we see that the 3 and 5 are different, and we know that 5 is greater than 3, so we can say that 5,451,415,000 is greater than 5,451,413,950. Now we need to round to the following numbers. When rounding the numbers, we look to the right of the underlined number. For example, in number 2, the underlying number is 5, so we're looking at the number 3. When rounding, if the number on the right is 1 to 4, we are rounding down, and if the numbers are 5 to 9, we are rounding up. So as you can see in number 2, the number on the right is 3, and 3 is between 1 and 4, which means we are rounding down. So this would become 3,500. Oops, I added an extra zero. For the number 5, we have the number 450,813. Now, we're rounding to the right of the number 0, which is a number 8. 8 is between 5 and 9, so we're rounding up. When we're rounding up, we go one number above the underlying number. So, in this case, 450,000 would become 451,000, and we just fill in the rest of with zeros. That's all for this lesson, and I hope you found this helpful.